Haha, this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. We have glass. This is 3D glass, tempered glass for Moto G31 and the cover as well for this phone. So double unboxing, simple thing. Nothing fancy. You have camera grill and here is logo for Moto G, the Motorola M logo. Quite lovely cover here, this one. Cheaper, nothing fancy, 3-4 euros you can buy in AliExpress. In Amazon could be 6-7. Here the glass, tempered glass. Let's see, let's take this off here. Beautiful box of this glass. I take this off. Lovely, I like how it looks. And let me open from here. Lovely packaging, God. And we have many glasses inside. 3 of them, lovely, of Moto G. And these are the sticker for cleaning, but look at this, the pack presentation. Let me take this off as this. Lovely glass. Here we go, this is for one of my clients. Let's see this one can fit on iPhone or not. This is iPhone 14 Plus. So let's see, the size is almost not. It's cover almost in this case. iPhone 14. And let's see in Samsung. It's 22 Ultra, guys. So this one, not bad. Not bad. Okay, so I'll deliver this one to my clients. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.